Our eyes are actually running for their lives every single day. Our body doesn't even know they exist, because the moment the eyes are discovered, they would be violently attacked by the immune system. That's because the body and the eyes belong to two completely different immune systems. The body's immune system is extremely aggressive. It can raise local temperatures to over 40 degrees Celsius to kill bacteria. At that temperature, the lens inside the eye would solidify like egg white. It would denature, causing permanent blindness. So the eyes evolved their own immune system, and the body's immune system must never know the eyeballs exist. Otherwise, it would treat them as foreign invaders and launch a brutal attack. But immune cells patrol the body every day. So how do the eyes escape detection? To stay hidden, the inner layer of the cornea evolved into a dense cellular barrier. Like a riot shield, it blocks nearly 90% of immune cells from entering the eye. Meanwhile, cells in the iris continuously release death signals. Any immune cells that slip through are tricked into activating their self-destruction program. Once they die, they can no longer report back to the body. But when the eye is severely injured, proteins from the lens leak into the bloodstream. And that's when the immune system notices. At that moment, immune cells from the entire body join the battle. They don't just destroy the injured eye, they also recognize the other healthy eye and dissolve it as well. That's why, when an eye is badly damaged, it must be removed immediately. No information can be allowed to leak. Since the first eye appeared 500 million years ago, it has been hiding. Meanwhile, the body's immune system has continued to evolve. On average, every 400 generations, the human eye must undergo a major camouflage upgrade. Otherwise, it will eventually be discovered. The war between the eyes and the body is far from over. It allows us to see a colorful world, yet it is always guarding itself against danger from within. Light is not easily won. Please, be kind to your eyes.